Hello everyone. We are doing group presentation on Urulu and location data analysis using Power BI. We are from Group 2 Melbourne, and my name is Pawan Bhatta, and my student ID is AZZ31202. So in this presentation, my tasks will be questions and answer section. So I'll start with task 1. So the first question is what is the maximum longitude and it belongs to which state? Uh, the maximum longitude is 43.05 and it belongs to the New York state. For this, we made a table that displays longitude and state. Then we arrange longitude in a descending order to identify the highest value and its corresponding state. And the second question is how much is the total gross margin for each state in 2017? In 2017, California had the gross margin of 46,766. No, and Arkansas had 41,182. Illinois had 33,127, and so on. For this, we created a column of a year from date and another for gross margin. Then we filtered for 2017 and sum up gross margin group by state. And for question number 3, how much is the maximum discount and by which state, which store? The maximum discount is 21,399.59 and it was given by Ahoy Place. For this, we created a table with discount and store sorted by discount descending and filtered to show only the highest discount. And for question number 4, which country has the maximum sales price in 2017 and how much? City with the maximum sales price in 2017 is AGAWAM with 56,978.48. After we filtered the data for 2017 before, we organized it by city and calculate the total sales revenue. We sorted this information and we got the city AGAWAM had the highest total sales revenue that is 56,978.48. And question number 5, the city in question number 4, which product did they sell the highest sales price in 2017? The answer is gloves, and the highest sales price is 15,737 in 2017. For this, we filtered city AGAWAM, and we grouped the data by product ID, product desk, and calculated total sales revenue. And we found gloves had the highest sales in that city, which is 15,737.05. For question number 6, for the product in question number 4, which year it has the highest original sales price. Year with the highest original sales price for gloves is 2016 with 256,755.94. For this, we filtered the data set to only include sales of the product and then grouped it by year and sum of sales revenue. By this way, we found this product in this year with highest sales. That is 256,755.94. And in question number 7, which product category has the highest fixed price in 2016 and how much was it in total? The product category with the highest fixed price in 2016 was household with a total of 741,491.34. For this, we filtered the data set to only include transaction from 2016. Then by grouping By category and sum of sales revenue, we calculated that the household category had the highest total fixed price of 741,491.34. And the next question, question number 8, which month had the lowest gross margin and in which year? The month with the lowest gross margin is January in the year 2017 with 17,422.15. We created a column for this to extract the month name from the transaction date. Then a table was built with month, year, and gross margin. Sorting the table in ascending order, we got January 2017 has the lowest gross margin. And the next question, question number 9 is, in the year with the lowest gross profit, which product had the lowest profit and how much is that? In year 2017, with the lowest gross profit, the product with lowest profit is rain jacket, which is $320.69. For this, by grouping the data by year and sum of the profit, we identified 2017 as the year with the lowest gross profit. We filter the data to only include that year, then group by product ID and product desk, and we sum up the profit, and we found out rain jacket has the lowest profit with only $320.69. And the last question is, in the year with the highest gross profit, which product had the highest profit and how much is that? So in the year 2016, with the highest profit, product with the highest profit is nails, which is 102,106.30. And for this, we again group the data by year, sum of profit, finding that 2016 has the highest gross profit, and filtering to that year, we grouped product ID and product desk and sum of profit, and found nails has the highest profit. So next part will be presented by our next group member. Thank you.
My name is Gavan Shrestha, and I'm going to explain our first dashboard, that is Product Category Analysis Dashboard. In this dashboard, we explore the performance of 4 product categories that are household, apparel, grocery, and camping. We choose category as a slicer, and we have 6 different charts that are sales revenue and quantity sold by category, total quantity sold per category, cost of goods, profit by year, profit by category, and in the end, we have profit by category and reason. So starting with sales revenue and quantity sold, we observe that household leads in both metrics with sales around 1.5 million, apparel follows closely within 1.2 million, but grocery and camping shows significantly lower figures. So when examining the total quantity sold per category using a horizontal bar chart, household stands out, accounting for 51.58% of the total share and selling over 4,000 units, followed by apparel at 40.91% and selling over 3,200 units. This indicates that the two categories dominate the overall sales volume. Camping and grocery are niche categories with under 7% of total quantity combined. For the profit by category, we use the stacked bar chart. We see the net outcome after cost. So household made the most profit, about 327K, which is 54.18% of the total profit. Apparel brought in roughly 269K, accounting for 44.64%. Grocery and camping generated almost negligible profits. For the profit by category and reason, we use the line and clustered column chart. So looking at the regional distribution, we find household performs exceptionally well in the South and Midwest regions. Apparel shows a good performance across multiple regions, particularly West and Atlantic. and grocery and camping barely register in profitability across any region. This insight can guide marketing efforts and inventory planning for future quarters. So from this dashboard's analysis, it is clear that household and apparel are the core drivers of the business. But to improve profitability, we should either optimize or reconsider our approach to grocery and camping. Thank you.
Uh, Hi, my name is Pradeep Giri and my student ID is PECG3014. And here I'm going to explain our second dashboard, that is sales revenue dashboard. This dashboard focuses on identifying top performing states, cities, stores, and products, and we use date as a slicer. So looking at this 100% stack column chart for sales revenue by top 10 states, California, Illinois, and Arkansas emerge as strong contributors. Household products dominate the revenue mix across most states. Apparel shows consistent but secondary performance. Our marketing and sales efforts can be concentrated here for higher ROI. Similarly, we use stack bar chart for the top 10 sales revenue and profit by store. So according to it, store like Ahoy Place and Plum Zone consistently appear among the top 10 in both revenue and profit. This performance highlights the effectiveness of their operation or customer base and may be good models for other stores. So here, looking at the pie chart of sales revenue by top 4 product nails are leading with 38.06% of the total product revenue. This is followed by gloves, boots, and buckets. These products are driving the bulk of our revenue and must be prioritized in stock management and promotions. So on the geographic side, we observe that the south region bring the highest revenue, followed by the west and midwest. This tells us where the demand is geographically concentrated. So here, looking at this ribbon chart for sales, revenue and quantity sold by top 10 cities. Cities like Agwan, Yuma, and New Orleans bring in the highest revenue and quantity sold. Understanding these cities' customer profiles could help replicate this success in similar markets. This can guide our regional marketing and inventory strategies. The sale revenue is around 2.81 million in 3 years combined. In summary, this analysis gives us a clear idea of which products, regions, and stores are generating the most sales, helping us refine strategies. Thank you so much.
Hi, I am Amir Zain and I'm going to explain our third dashboard, that is total gross margin dashboard. And this is the final dashboard, highlights gross margin insights by year, region, state, and product and users region. And we are moving to the next slide. Looking at this waterfall chart analyzing profits year over year, we observe a positive growth trend. Profit grew from $0.29 million in 2016 to $0.60 million by 2018, and this growth indicates effective cost and revenue. Uh, from the tree map, visualization shows a clear revenue of $2.81 million with a total profit of $0.60 million. This helps us benchmark our profitability margin. And moving to the next slide. Among the top 10 stores, Ahoy Place and Pantry Zone show both high profit and quantities sold. They are efficient both in operations and customer engagement. And moving to the conclusion here, household and apparel are the top performing categories in terms of sales revenue, profit, and quantities sold. This should remain a strategic focus for inventory, marketing, and regional. Thank you.